What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're being corona-free. Trying to stay corona-free, you guys. It's just a sad situation going on right now. And I just pray for everyone and everybody who's affected, who's been affected, who's just involved with the whole thing. You guys know my story. I'm still at work every day, all day. Just got off. You know what I do. I come home, drop my things off, check on my family, and come straight out here and try to make you guys a video, okay? So today, I'm just going to give you an update. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, thanks for being here. Also, check out my Facebook, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Beginners and experts are welcome. And you can find a lot of my videos and tips there, as well as a lot of good advice on anything gardening. So just want to give you an update on my garden. What am I forgetting? Oh, click like and subscribe, y'all. Y'all know that whole routine everybody say. Click like and subscribe. Do the thumbs up, thumbs down. Just don't give me the two middle fingers. Okay, okay. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Hi. So, we're just going to make this real quick. I haven't been outside most of the weekend because the wind has been so terrible, you guys. And it's really dangerous. I have a huge tree in my yard. And Mother Nature knows what she's doing. When she sends these strong winds, she's really cleaning that tree out. All the old dead branches are just falling into the yard. I'm not mad at it because that's just Mother Nature's way. They need to go. So when I'm out there on my knees, I don't get knocked in the head. Okay, okay. And y'all see me laying out in the ground. Talking about, help! Donna, pimp down, left 30 in the garden. Come get me. Lord. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. You know how I lose it. I just put some tomato slits in the in some soil, trying to get some plants out of these. I told my cousin to save the tomatoes from the yams. Look, y'all. Look what she saved me. She saved me that. I'm just gonna stick it in there anyway. That one. The rest of them had some roots on them, and then this one in here actually had a flower coming out. So I have that in soaking soil. We're just gonna see, you guys. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do. Do your thing on your garden, okay? Look at my carrots down here, you guys. They're still doing their thing. See those carrots? They're down there. They're doing their thing. The lettuce we transferred has taken well to its soil. Forgive the mess, you guys. The wind has been blowing everywhere. Here's some more radish. Yeah, so plant multiple things. This is a grow bag, and I have several different things in here, you guys. Several different things. So just do what you like to do. I think this is another I think this is going to be another pickling, Chicago pickling cucumbers. The leaves are huge, and this was planted straight in the pot outside, y'all. I didn't even start this inside. I started it outside. And look at my Dollar Tree container. I have different seeds I just popped in there. I think those are some flowers. Look at this bean coming up. Yeah. And this is a good way to test your soil. Look, we got a cucumber over there. This is a good way to test your soils out. See what's going on. See what you got. I don't have anything planted in this one. There's our strawberries that we started from the little plants. They're doing their thing. Look, more radish and beets. Look, peppers coming out on their own. These are some seeds that I just popped in the ground. This is some of the flower rocket flowers. We're probably going to redo that pot. But let me get out here and show you some of the things going on in the garden outside. Like I said, you guys, the winds have been terrible. So I'm trying to stay safe. It's one of our zucchini plants that we bought outside when it only had its starter leaves on it. It didn't even have any true leaves. And we took a chance just to try and see. And look, remember those Jiffy Pete pellets I said they didn't work out? We were going to stick them in the ground. Look. Some stuff coming out of the Jiffy Pea pellet. Looks like some type of pepper to me, but I'll see it once the leaves get bigger. Look, tomatoes coming straight out of the ground in the garden, you guys. We just had a frost this past Saturday, and look at the tomato. It's doing its thing. This one there, look, other little things just popping up. Do what you want to do in your garden, y'all. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. You can do whatever you put your mind to. And if it's Mother Nature's will, it'll grow. It will. And we can do whatever we want to help out. But hey, Mother Nature is Mother Nature. Look at our raised beds, you guys. Oh my goodness. Some carrots have fallen in here. I see them. You see them? We're going to leave them alone. carrots have fallen into the raised bed, you guys, that we made in 5 minutes. The raised bed video we made in 5 minutes. Look at some of these radish down in there. I didn't even separate these lettuce. But yeah, this is some of the things going on in Skinny Boy Farms. Look at this tomato plant. Straight in the ground. I put out here way early. And like I said, they're just sitting kind of dormant because of the temperatures, but they're not dead. So if they make it, they make it. If they don't, we have plenty of tomatoes growing inside, you guys. You know that. So yeah, just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's going on. That's going to be one of the beds we clean out for our corn. Look at all this stuff going on over here, you guys. Let me see if I can get down in there. Got radish everywhere. You see that? This is the Baker Creek Radish Easter Basket Collection. And I've been doing succession planting. So this is like a second batch. So these are a little smaller. We're gonna go over to where the bigger ones are. The first ones we planted together. Remember we planted all of these together? Look at them coming on out of the ground. Well, they're pretty much out of the ground. And some of them are deeper, like in the soil. Let me see if I can show you. See, some of them go straight down in the soil. See that in there? Oops, sorry, so many leaves. But right there, my favorite. Well, I can't see that one. But yeah, you guys, there's plenty. So you just move them a little bit. You can see them under there. Look at that. All different sizes, all different colors, shapes. All these radish, look, coming right out of the ground. So yeah, you guys, like I said, do what you want to do in your yard. It's your garden. Have fun with it. Look at the garden I started for my cousin, and she's been taking care of this. Look at her radish. And this is her first time planting anything. And she has several different things going on over here in this bed. And I'm just going to quickly take you over here to the bed we started from scratch. And like I said, excuse the mess. The wind has blown all type of tree debris in here and everything. And this is where we just put some seeds. And just let them come up on their own. Look at all this new growth. Just different items. And the good thing about planting different items, you guys, don't worry about, oh, I don't know exactly which brand that is or what plant that is. Because if you're planting your peppers and your tomatoes and you're planting the ones that like the same type of environment, you're good to go. If one comes up yellow and one comes up red, oh, well, so be it. You'll figure it out as you go. See things just popping up? So yeah, you guys, I love you. You're the best. Remember, stay safe. Be happy. Love on your family and friends. Tell them you love them. Try to FaceTime them. Give them a call. Check on your seniors, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. Grow stuff, you guys. I need it. You're the best. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do.